Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Google Nest Mini speaker from your Google Home application. So first of all, we have to open our speaker and then tap on the settings icon. And right now, as you can see, it appears at the bottom, so click to remove device and then just simply connect. As you can see, the device has been removed. Right now when you open it, as you can see, we cannot open these settings for another time. So basically it just unlink from our account and we can only create simply we can link this device to a new room, and to finish the process we have to mute the microphone.
The mic's off.
And then click and hold right here to perform the hard reset of your device.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Keep holding. And right now we can release. And that's how it looks. That's very simple. As you can see right now, it's going to be restored to default settings. So yeah, right now this device is not set up to your account and to your Google Home application, as you can see. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.